Sublimation systems. Process overview. Some items, such as athletic performance apparel, and especially hard goods, such as cups and mugs, require a unique process called sublimation printing. Sublimation uses heat and pressure to convert designs made with special ink on special paper from a solid into a gas and then back to a solid again, infusing the design into the item it's applied to. The operator pulls the customer design up on the computer and then sends it to the Ricoh sublimation printer. Once printed, the designs are heat pressed onto the item. In some cases, special presses are used to hold the various shapes and sizes of items we print on. Intro to equipment. The Ricoh sublimation printer is used to print designs onto sublimation paper for heat application onto special items, especially hard items such as cups and mugs. It is also used to make designs for application onto performance wear items. The primary parts and controls related to the production operation are the on-off switch, menu controls, display, and paper tray. The computer system is used to access the customer design files and then send them to the printers. It is also used, if necessary, to adjust designs for printing. The primary parts and controls related to the production operation are the computer, monitor, and keyboard, and also the Corel software program. The garment heat press is used to heat seal the printed designs onto items. The primary parts and controls related to the production operation are on-off switch, pressure control dial, temperature and time menu control, and the press handle. The mugs and cups heat press is used to heat seal the printed designs onto mugs and cups. The primary parts and controls related to the production operation are the on-off switch, pressure adjustment, temperature and time menu control, and the press handle. Pre-operation equipment check, done at startup. Turn all equipment on. Production operation. Orders. Orders to be produced will be in plastic bins. Each bin will contain the garments to be produced along with the customer order form. Clear bins contain regular orders. Red or gray bins contain rush orders and should be given priority. The customer order ID number will be in the upper left corner of the order form. Any special instructions required will be just below the order ID number. Look at the order form. Read the special instructions, if any were given. Verify that the sizes, styles, types, and colors of the garments or items in the bin match those listed on the customer order form. Verify the locations to be printed: front, back, or both front and back. Verify the clip art colors. Verify the text colors. Verify which items will need to be done using the sublimation process. And verify which items will need to be done using the upload process. Open the customer design on the computer. Pull it up by entering the date of the order using the year, month, day format. Verify that the customer designed image on the customer order form matches the image on the computer screen. After printing, prep the design transfer for pressing. Heat pressing, sublimation process, mugs and cups. Tape the sublimation design onto the item to be printed. The design side will be against the item and the blank side will face out. Place the design onto the item in the proper location specified on the customer order form. Tape the design down securely so there are no gaps or folds between it or the item it's being applied to. Place a piece of backer paper over the design so that it's covered. Tape a piece of backer paper over the design so that it's fully covered. Again, tape it down securely so that there are no folds or gaps. Wrap the Teflon pad around the item and place it in the mugs and cups heat press. Then look at the item preset menu posted near the heat press. Determine the proper preset number, 1 to 5, listed for the item you are pressing. Go to the heat press menu, press Program, scroll through the list of presets to the one you need, and then press Program again. The time and temperature info will appear on the menu screen. Verify that it matches the info on the posted preset menu sheet. Pull the heat press handle down to lock it, and the pressing process, along with the press timer, will begin. When the press is complete, the unit will beep. Release the press handle. Carefully remove the item from the press. Next, remove the taped backer paper. Finally, remove the taped design. After the item is cooled, place it back into the bin. Repeat this production process for each item on the order. When all of the items have been produced, place the customer order form into the bin with the completed items and send the bin on to quality control. Heat pressing, sublimation process, garments. First, place the item onto the heat press. The heat press should be set to 40 pounds pressure, 15 seconds press time, and 315 degrees. Place the sublimation design onto the item in the proper location specified on the customer order form. Pull the heat press handle down into the lock position to begin the first press. The press timer will beep after 15 seconds to signal completion. Pull the press handle up to release it. Then carefully peel the backer paper away, leaving the design on the item. Pull the heat press handle down into the lock position to begin the second press. The press timer will beep after 15 seconds to signal completion. Pull the heat press handle up to release it. Fold the garment and place it back into the bin. Repeat this process for each item on the order. When all of the items have been produced, place the customer order form into the bin with the completed items and send the bin to quality control.